Hello everyone, to stream on YouTube in Video Director, go to the MP4 file and click on the gear button. After that, go to the RTMP property tab, enter your URL and stream key here. So let's go to YouTube and click on Go Live. After that, create a new stream if you did not have any. Write the title here and your description. Training video. After that, click Create Stream. Inside YouTube, they will give you a stream URL and key. Copy the URL and paste on the URL here. And then copy the stream key and paste on the stream here. After that, go to the Output tab and make sure you tick the server 1. The URL and key we entered just now is under server 1. Go to MP4 file again and click the play button to start streaming. When it is successful, the icon will become red. You can check the status by clicking this button. The information will be displayed here. So let's go to YouTube to check. It's currently loading. So when it's done, the preview will be shown and you can click the Go Live button to start your live stream on YouTube. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoyed the video.